Welcome to CrewLounge CONNECT. My name is Craig, and I have the pleasure to show you the major functions of this awesome app. Okay, here we go. The best place to start are the settings. Open the side menu and click on Settings. You need a user account with crewlounge.aero to use this application. You can purchase the user license from this page or through the website. Click on My Profile to set your profile details. You can do the same online. Walk through the list and complete your entire profile. At the bottom, you can enable Carpool. The application will then indicate any colleagues in the crew that are interested in carpooling, and it will calculate the distance between the starting points. Back on the Settings page, you can select Airline. We're covering the airline section in another video tutorial. Now, continue with privacy settings. When you register with CrewLounge.aero, your name, picture, your airline company, and function are shared with all users of CrewLounge.aero. Select this option to hide your name from search functions. When you share your account with others, you can select 4 different levels of privacy for each item of your profile. You find another bunch of settings on the Other Settings page, such as the first weekday. Finally, there is also the Maintenance page from where you are gonna do some cleanup. Okay, that completes the settings. You can reach a number of pages from the side menu, but let's first go to the dashboard. Base time uses the home base that you have inserted on the Settings Airline page, while local time is just a copy of your phone clock. This section indicates your next or your current duty. It will update automatically. Click on My Layover to jump immediately to your next hotel overnight, if there is any. My Duty will jump immediately to your next duty. Now, click on My Roster to view your schedule. You can choose between Month View, Week View, and List View. In the Week View, you can swipe left to right to go to the next week. You can also select Next Week from the panel at the bottom. The List View is a sequential list of all duties. It shows duties for the current month. Tap at the top to select another month. Go to the HTML view page to view your original roster as it was downloaded from the website. Tap the icon on the right to open the download page. From here, you can download your roster. The details are covered on a different video tutorial. Click the Share icon to print your roster on the fridge, or to share your flight schedule with your friends on social media. Okay, so far, the functions from the main dashboard. You can find and reach many more functions from the side menu. I leave them to you to discover yourself. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.